Well, I guess I'm doing an update video to try to refocus and get this thing done. It should have been done days ago. It was such a, I don't know. I think it's because my blend of light and dark roast coffee is not working. It's like just can't stay focused again. It's not like something. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Oh, well, maybe I was gonna try to get myself refocused on this by talking about the strangeness. I think Monogram is messing with me. In a previous video, I said this was a late gift build, Christmas gift build number 3, and that it was going quickly. And it was, and it is. I think what happened is I don't know, maybe I convinced myself that it is going together so quickly that I can take a break or something. I have been working on the late gift builds number 4 and 5. I have started painting on number 4 and got the body for all the parts for number 5 are prepped for painting. This one is going together quickly because it's a snap together kit. And well, I don't know where I should start. Even though it's a snap together kit, I have been having to glue parts together because they just don't fit. They either don't fit tightly, there's huge gaps, or they don't go together at all, the parts that, and so I've had to remove the mounting posts and enlarge mounting holes that are supposed to be for the snap together, and then just glue them together. And then there's these are the supposed to be the side mirror, but let me get this in the, okay, where's the safer pointer? Oh well. See if, so that's a little mounting post. It's supposed to snap it into there, into this one. But when you do, it doesn't go in all the way, and so it sticks out. And so this one, I cut the post off of this one. And it's too thick. Even with the post cut off, it's too thick and sticks out. Like, all right, this obviously was not, it just feels like this was not meant to be a snap together kit. And but even with me gluing everything together, it's still going together quick because it's such a simple kit. But anyway, so let me look at it. Okay, so this is my 1986 Monogram catalog, and right back here, see here it is on new for 1986. This 1982 Corvette, snap tight. This is part of their new snap tight issues for 1986. Oh, and then here comes the Monogram messing with me another example of, let me get it turned. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but the copyright stamp on the chassis floor pan says 1981. 1981 China. Yet, according to that 1986 catalog, it's new for 1986. Here's the glue together interior tub, and first of all, also the snap together seats are exactly the same as the seats for the glue together kit. And here's the interior tubs. The black one's the glue together kit, and the orange one is the snap together. Other than mounting points, they're almost identical. I mean, there's a difference in the console, slight difference. The glue together has more, like, it shows you the shift pattern for the manual shifter. It has a separate parking brake handle, where this one, the snap together, is molded on. That's the chassis floor pan parts. Look at that. The spare tire tub are exactly the same. The wheel wells and engine mount, and all that's exactly the same as on from glue together to snap together. The snap together has the exhaust side pipes. They're molded onto the chassis. Also, the drive shaft and the rear axle and suspension is all molded on, while on this one it's separate. But they look the same. Those parts look the same as... and then here's the front piece. This suspension piece, it's exactly the same as the glue together one. Here's the glue together front suspension piece. Now, the wheels went together a lot better on the glue together one, and you see they're on there pretty tight. But these are all wobbly, and I had to, there's just no way the wheel halves were gonna snap together. So even though I still had to enlarge the opening on the front wheel half to get the back wheel half to fit in before I could even glue it in. And then it's real wobbly. Look at that. But on the glue together one, they're on there pretty good. But here's the dashboards. It's the glue together one. Has the same detailing on the dashboard as the snap together. The difference is that different style of mounting. You have this part is already molded on, while it's a separate part on this one. And the clear parts on the glue together one are clear, while the clear on the snap together is tinted. And it's one piece, and the clear parts on the glue together one are 4 pieces. And here's the motor comparison. Now this is the glue together motor. Now the big difference on the snap together is that all the top end, exhaust manifold, cylinder head, valve cover, intake manifold, that's all one piece. Whereas they're separate on the glue together kit. They look the same, almost. You can see the gap between the there's no gap on and then this fits so poorly onto the engine block in its snap together form. There was a huge gap. It wouldn't go down all the way, so I just cut off the mounting post and glued it on. Now you might not be able to. Well, the see the fan belt alternator assembly there. That's the snap together one. Exactly the same on the glue together. See that? Pancakes. So I've come to the conclusion that Monogram's been playing a trick again. This is actually a retooled glue together kit. Oh, also the front bumper and the rear bumper on the snap together, they're molded onto the body, but they're separate on the glue together kit. Anyway, but as I said earlier in the video, even though I'm gluing parts on here because the snap together features don't work that good, it's still going quick. And I think I got lazy and must have, I don't need to hurry. Oh, it's going together quick. I don't need to. Well, almost a week now has gone by and I could have been done. But no, I procrastinated and worked on the other ones. 4 and 5, and I could have had this done. And I blame my coffee. I do my own coffee blends with whatever I can get cheap. I think this week's blend has been too. It's too weak. Oh, I can't focus. It's not helping me none. Anyway, so I'm trying to get myself back. Finish it. So, man, just slam it together. Yeah. See you next time.